Man, congratulations, King. We got the billboard cover.
Yeah.
Yo, it's crazy because we ain't even get to see that joint till today. I ain't know what the cover was gonna look like. I seen the cover and was happy and was bugging at the same time. I'm like, we gotta, you know.
No,
but
that's what I was like. I ain't know. I smiled and I frowned. I was like,
Nah, it's all good. That's why we photoshopped ourselves out and put Bounty and Beanie in there because, you know, they did something that was super amazing. So they the reason why people in the room together now.
They the reasons, but let's not forget, like, it wouldn't have been like official without the people agreeing, like the Sean Garrett's, the Neos,
all that.
Like they actually helped create the spaceship that we created.
Yeah, the RZAs, the Primos.
Well, despite Foota Hype saying that, yo, them had to approve, right, before Billboard put out that picture. Swizz Beatz and Timbaland come forward and I say, yo, them never even did see it before it was released. No, I mean, them can say whatever them want to say. Who am I to say them a tell the truth or not, right? We only can take it as them say it. But no, I would think about something like this now. If a company like Billboard are going to put out something about somebody, I would think that, you know, them are going to contact the people first and say, listen, do you approve of this or not? Now, I may be wrong, but I would think that's how the thing would have worked, right? Well, nonetheless, yeah, me. Swizz Beatz them say, yo, them Photoshop out themselves out of the original Billboard cover and put in Bounty and Beanie, right? Now, is it that them decide say them are go Photoshop out themselves and put Bounty and Beanie before Jamaicans create an uproar about it, or them decide say them are go do it after them hear one and two people start create an uproar and them say, yo, you know what? We have to pay respect to Bounty and Beanie, you know, cause them should have depend that. You understand? Who knows? But at the end of the day, yeah, hear me, the uproar was created and them decided to them go Photoshop. Now, the funny thing about it is, Swizz Beatz them Photoshop out for themselves and put Bounty and Beanie. But the thing about it is, Billboard did not change the original one. The Billboard run with the original one because at the end of the day, the decision is left up to them. So even though Swizz Beatz them Photoshop out themselves and repost another picture, Billboard not change nothing. You understand what I say? So that simply says, here we are going to do what we want to do, same way we can create as much noise as no want as Jamaicans. We do not care. It is just that simple, right? Now, in my opinion, straight up, me I go say, yo, it was a straight disrespect for Bounty and Beanie because the two man them are the biggest thing pan Billboard are the biggest thing pan versus, right? So them should definitely make that cover there for Billboard. You understand what I say? But it just goes to show how much them no recognize Jamaicans because them put everybody else pan the cover, all international artists, and for not put two of the biggest Axpan versus that shows say them no recognize with Jamaican culture. But watch out, man, people. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me hear your thoughts, your views, and your opinion on this one. Because, you know, me always tell you already, your opinion matters. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. Watch out, man. Peace.
Boy, unstoppable you.